Hey GIS enthusiasts! Welcome back to another ArcGIS Pro tutorial. In this video, we'll dive into creating an annual rainfall interpolation map using CRU NetCDF data. If you love GIS, remote sensing, and spatial analysis, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more ArcGIS Pro, Python, and GIS programming tutorials. Google CRU rainfall data. Choose University of East Anglia high-resolution gridded data sets. Scroll down and choose CRU TS local copy. Choose the link for main gridded data. Click on PRE for precipitation data. Scroll down and choose the NetCDF file for the year you're looking for. Now open ArcGIS Pro to add this file. Since we cannot add NetCDF file directly, we will have to use some tool. Search for Make NetCDF layer. Choose your NetCDF file and select precipitation as the variable. Set the band dimension as time, since each band in the file is different rainfall data of different time. Global layer has been added. I only want the raster in the extent of my vector data, so I shall add my boundary data and export the raster as per the extent of my boundary. While exporting, I will keep the clipping geometry as per my boundary extent. Since I downloaded the 2010 to 2020, this layer will have bands of 10 years, each band for each month. Since I want only the data for the last year, I needs only the last 12 bands. So I will be doing composite bands to get an image of only those 12 bands. I will browse over to the image, double-click to get the specific bands, and select the last 12 bands representing the 2020 year. Now to find the annual rainfall, I will now do cell statistics to find the sum of pixels of 12 bands to create a new layer of some pixels. Now I will project this data to projected coordinate system and use the raster to point tool to convert each pixel to point data. Now using this point data, I can do interpolation techniques. For example, I will be using IDW tool here. Now I can clip this layer by my boundary to get the annual rainfall map for my area. And that's it, folks. Thank you.